a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me Barbara cause I cut a nigga off quick. I don't need your problems or your dick. I don't need his funds, I hold my shit. Make a belly go missing on soul. What's low without the yo? Get bold, I let it blow. I just can't trust the hoe. Chillin' with some Zoes and I don't even bang, but you know how that go. Niggas say my name, put my legs on the floor. Make a bitch tap out, you made it hard to avoid. I got my legs in the air, he be grabbing on my neck. I got him begging me for mercy. Let him hit it from the back, boy, you better pull my hair like you're riding horses. He gon' give it to me anytime I want. He can get it anyway, he know I'm down. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all on me. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all on me. These niggas be all on me. Stop tripping, don't fall on me. I want you, stop calling me. I guess that's the ball in me. Yeah, I'ma get the money, my do you love me? Oh no, I make him break the law. He fucking up my car. Man, nigga, get your fine ass in the bed. Ponytail going up, I won't beg. Come and slap me like a slut drip between my legs. He look conflicted, wanna break the dick, give me a seg. Pull my hair and bust it in me, that's that good Remy. Pussy so good, turn that nigga to my enemy. I shoulda knew you was a punk, I see DLs, I send me. I got my legs in the air, he be grabbing on my neck. I got him begging me for mercy. Let him hit it from the back, boy, you better pull my hair like you're riding horses. He gon' give it to me anytime I want. He can get it anyway, he know I'm down. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all on me. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all on me. And these bitches don't want no beef. I got that 9 on me. These bitches don't want no cheat. They calling the police. Big shit, stop by the star. Let us know my heart ain't thought. I cannot give my all. Give me top and let the money massage. Corny acting funny, acting get cropped. No safety, come on this Glock. One thing for sure, two for certain. Don't need a nigga to buy no Birkin. Get on your knees, baby, and show me mercy. Get on your knees, baby, and show me mercy. I ain't even need to do that. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't want the lion, you don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Ain't what you saying the streets, ayy, what you saying repeat, ayy, don't you saying delete. It's kinda hard to compete with someone who beneath you. What you saw, you gon' read my games like I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't want the lion, you don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Inherit the earth, the meek, and find something safe to do. Find several seats. Try my best to speak, but I fuck with real OGs, and I'm getting brain from a big old freak, and I'm walking around with a stick on me. If you see a clown, that's my rich homie. When you see me down, drop that dick on me. Tell them how you went broke, cause you can't fix phony. Got these bitches watching, got that tick on me. Ever since I stashed the zips in the bricks, my feet went up, I see. I nut up X-Reef, and I don't trust nobody, so that's why I protect my peace. When you chasing desire instead of clout, it's hard to retire all that bullshit that easily put your mind on fire. I'ma keep it a bill, nigga. These niggas ain't real niggas. Broke ass niggas still rolling out of them, still switching. See, I done got older, now I'm sipping on Foga. I can't let a nigga take me, I look over my shoulder. Toyota the motor, I can switch it to Rover. I be trying my luck like a 4-leaf clover. Got hitters in the Nolan, they oughta know I'm a soldier. Bitch, I ate with the vultures, get on your head and the rollers. You don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't want the lion, you don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Ain't what you say in the streets, ain't what you saying repeat, ain't don't you saying delete. It's kinda hard to compete with someone who beneath you. Ain't what you saw you gon' reap, my games ain't for me. You don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't want the lion, you don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Look, there's 3 things you should know. I'm faithful, I'm loyal, but don't you try me like no hoe. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. Stars in the ceiling, we ride through the city, my thighs look revealing. You want a piece of this kitty? He like, how you feeling? You fly, come with me. Say, hey, won't you be my babe? I'm drive you crazy. If you fuck with me, say it. If you stuck with me, display it. Excuse your reputation, presentation, and all that shit. And you get froggy and limp, just what you call that shit. Got a tampon on me right now. What you supposed to do right now? I just want no racks, and no, I cannot back down. Hey, won't you be my babe? If you love me, look, there's 3 things you should know. If I see a little effort, I might show a little more. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should show me more. If you want me, nigga, you should show me more. I get round you, my heart be racing, but I'm getting to the money, that's what I'm chasing. Penthouse with about 2 or 3 basements. Fucked around and told me no, I had to take it. I might fuck around and give you opposite. Don't get comfortable with what I'm offering like ottomans. I just wanna be the one, hold you down and take all the mans. Keep me from falling in. I don't need another embarrassment. I'm like a Jehovah's Witness, I get out your way and perish. Say hey, won't you be my babe? If you love me, look, there's 3 things you should know. If I see a little effort, I might show a little more. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should show me more. If you want me, nigga, you should show me more. I don't have a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me barber cause I cut a nigga out quick. I don't need your problems or your dick. I don't need his funds, I hold my shit. Make a belly go missing on soul. What's low without the yo? Get bold, I let it blow. I just can't trust the hoe. Chillin' with some Zoes and I don't even bang, but you know how that go. Niggas say my name, put my legs on the floor. Make a bitch tap out, you made it hard to avoid. Pass or destroy, would you ride for me? Court date, would you stand and testify for me? I was the first at the scene, not his side piece. Bitch, I seen a nigga first when he hit his knees. The next day I told him to call you, not me. Baby boy, a big blood, but I keep it G. He a boss, but he do what a sucker do. Gemini get moon swings out the blue. I'm fucked up and I'm gon' fuck up too. I'm only 20, nigga, what you want me to do? I got the drip, but I'm coolin', so I call it juice. He knocked the pussy out the friend like his name Bruce. I get it tight, she'll call it cause she real loose. Bitch, I don't have a point to prove, but I got the proof. I don't have a point to prove, you can call me Zeus. Real bitch do what a real bitch do. Gemini with my mood, I match my attitude. I don't have a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me Barbara cause I cut a nigga off real. I don't need cousin Ricky or Uncle Nick. I don't need no family on my dick. But static cause I hold my own shit. Go missing when I want shit. I'm what her nigga want. These hoes won't leave me alone. I don't have nothing to say to you. He gon' eat it up and beat it all day, nigga. Put the tip in slow like why you play, nigga. And I only fuck with niggas making 8 figures. Look, and I ain't even making 8 figures, but I'm running around his mind like an 8 figure. And I know he think I'm rude. He say I'm feeling you. You got me feeling new. Block ticks ain't going through. Gemini with my mood. Gemini with my mood. And that's just on that. Two-faced bitch. Don't come at me about nothing, cause I don't know nothing. But if you want me to tell you, I'ma motherfucking tell you, bitch. That's how Gemini is. I know he like the way I come on, nigga, yeah, I know what you like. Come on, nigga, yeah, I know what you like. I ain't finna be up all night. I know you like. He like the way that I move. He like the way that I vibe. He don't want no lazy bitch. He want a bitch that grind. He say Google me and he say check my watch. Ride with me, let me take you all around the block. AP's big watch. Big bands push start, 9 years apart. Gold chain, no fault. And I don't need the price, cause his pockets looking steady. He fuck with me, ain't have to put no blood in his spaghetti. He do not like when I'm rude. Bad bitch attitude. Young bitch got your daddy geeky tryna call up to the school. If he don't cut the check, then it's fuck him next. Nigga almost broke his head tryna get me neck. He like me cause I'm lit. Dance on to do a split. And now he moaning, looking shocked, tryna grab my hips. He like me cause I'm it. I'm clowning on the dick. And he ain't mad at bitch that's like me on some real shit. He need a red bone bitch when he feeling blue. Hannah Baker left my house with all these down clues. He took the top off the Maybach and now he sliding through. I asked him if he hungry. He said, yeah, I wanna eat you. Like, go on, bend it over, baby girl, let me beat you. Pull on your hair and get you naked like you see-through. You lethal, you need to be illegal. He handed me the car, he said go crazy on the visa. Her nigga buy her pizza, sit on his ass like Mona Lisa. I don't care about his past, fuck you shit and Keisha. And he say he need a down bed. How you doing? Nice to meet you. How you doing? Nice to greet you. He like the way that I move. He like the way that I vibe. He don't want no lazy bitch. He want a bitch that grind. He say Google me and he say check my watch. Ride with me, let me take you all around the block. AP's big watch, big bands push start, 9 years apart. Gold chain, no fault. And I don't need the price cause his pockets looking steady. He fuck with me, ain't have to put no blood in his spaghetti. Remember this, I don't need y'all, just ain't never draw no beamer. And damn, I gotta pay all these bills cause I'm legal. Hey, roll up some of that diesel. Match my fly like an eagle and his friends don't like me. What they say? I'm a schemer. Come on, baby, yeah, I know what you like. Come on, baby, yeah, I know what you like. I ain't finna be up all night. I know you like, I know you like. He like the way that I move, baby. He like the way that I vibe. He don't want no lazy bitch. He want a bitch that grind. He say Google me and he say check my watch. Ride with me, let me take you all around the block. AP's big watch, big bands push start, 9 years apart. Gold chain, no fault. And I don't need the price, cause his pockets looking steady. He fuck with me, ain't have to put no blood in his spaghetti. Bitch going live talking about she wanna fight. Aight ho, I'ma pull up. Yeah, I'ma pull up. Why your homegirls out here though? What the fuck you need, babe? Alright, I got something for y'all. Cause I got a 9 on me. Play with it. And if these bitches think shit sweet, I got a 9 on me. And if these niggas play with me, I got a 9 on me.
Don't worry about that
Bitch,
shit.
don't worry about my aim. You can't run, nothing won't change. That I got a 9 on me.
Delmarie on the
I
track,
got a
bitch.
9 on
Girl, pick
me.
up your face, stop flinching up. Pulled up with the stick, I ain't come to thump. 1200 little chain, bitch, you fucking Trump. Stimulus the way you get you some allowance, huh? That's the only way you ever had a balance, huh? Yo nigga trapping all night, but his funds low. When I ask him, I hear yes, I don't hear no. It's that pop smoke when I let that gunner blow. Aimed it at the sky, now I see him getting low. He said he liked the way I act, he called me psycho. Got him screaming in the bed like Michael. 3 tries, boy, you better not fumble. I'm getting cocky out of being too humble. Let that nigga tell him download Bumble. He was sweet, so I made his cookie crumble. Call me Lucci, I'ma let that nigga wonder. And I'm the most hated in the city. But I been getting money, been lit. It ain't shit, a nigga got me, I ain't get me. Carrot baskets, he lied on, now he missing. Bitch, get off social media with all the diss. Look, I ain't speaking on no beef unless it's mentioned. I'm hard-headed, you can call me Rapunzel. I put it out, I make them stop, stare,
I got a
mumble.
9 on me. And if these bitches
I don't have a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me Barbara cause I cut a nigga off quick. I don't need your problems or your dick. I don't need his funds, I hold my shit. Machiavelli go missing on soul. What's low without the yo? Get bold, I let it blow. I just can't trust the hoe. Chillin' with some Zoes and I don't even bang, but you know how that go. Niggas say my name, put my legs on the floor. Make a bitch tap out, you made it hard to avoid.